Hi, two Lillians here. Good afternoon or good day wherever you are. So I am going to clean the cooker, especially the oven right behind me, where you can see it's very all dirty. We've been using, since I've been at home, we've been using the oven quite regularly, and I must say that I have not washed it or cleaned it in a while. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So that's my oven. I'm just gonna, so it is very dirty, so I just put the light on so that I can show you. See lots of grime. We've roasted fish the other day, but it hasn't been cleaned, and lots of marks all over there. And then so it really needs some love. Then the bottom, I have to remove all of the trays that are in there and then clean it. And also again, you can see the marks, lots of marks on the door. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I clean my oven. So the first thing I'm going to do will be to put the oven on. So I'm going to put it on at a low temperature. So maybe for the grill, I will put it on for 150 up and down grill, maybe. No, actually, up and down oven. Yeah, up and down oven, and same here. 150 each. So I'm gonna put both of them at that temperature, and I'm gonna let it really, it's just so that it's nice and warm, and then it's easy to lift the products, all the dirt that's inside. And also in the meantime, I have to remove all the trays out of the oven. So yeah, there we go. Let's get started. So the products that I'm gonna use to clean my oven, they are very simple. The main one that I use is a sieve. So I love my sieve. I clean my oven, always clean my oven with sieve. Whether it's the cooker on top, I always use the sieve, and then a soft sponge. But now and then I also use fairy. So I like to mix a little bit of fairy with that together, and it really does a good job. And then I've got myself a pair of gloves, because handling chemicals with hands, if you have to scrub really hard, it's not really nice. So yeah, so in the meantime, I'm going to clear my countertop, and while this is warming up. Can you actually see how shiny this is? It is absolutely clean, and it's clean the way I like it. So now I'm going to put back the glass. you could see most of the footage, but here is my oven that is sparkling clean. So I am very pleased with the results. It is very clean for me and I'm very happy. So again, all you needed is a little bit of fairy and the sieve, and make sure that the oven is warmed up so that all the residue that have sat on the oven are lifted easily. So happy oven cleaning!